Kapag uwi po ninyo, makakakuha po ba kayo ng phone call kay President Duterte? Katulad po na nangyari kanina.
Yeah, sinabihan ko siya kanina, sabi ko, kung pwede ba siyang tumawag everyday, tapos sasabihin niya daw sa guard kung pwedeng tawagan ako.
Kahit pa nasa Pilipinas.
Yes. Sabi ko, it's 24 hours a day. Pero meron lang kasi silang allowed time para tumawag. Kaya sinabi ko sa kanya, please ask them that you want to call me every day. So ako na yung nagsabi sa kanya na you want to call me every day. Hindi ko lang alam kung gusto niya. But, well, yes. That phone call was probably the longest in my 46 years, no, with my father. That phone call was probably the longest. Ilan yun?
Almost 30 minutes.
30.
Opo.
Half an hour.
Oo, almost an hour.
Niyakap po ninyo yung puno, ma'am, kanina.
Oo, niyakap ko na.
To face the world out on my own again.
I think former President Duterte is overjoyed, especially when he saw us there last Tuesday. So that would be the first time that he saw Kitty and me together in person, because we do video calls before, but never in person that he saw me, Kitty, and I together.